Hi, welcome to Answers. Today we will see how to start your own business. Number 1. Choose right niche. Based on your interest, you have to choose your business niche. Usually people will choose niche based on demand, availability, and knowledge about it. Number 2. Conduct market research. Market research will tell you if there's an opportunity to turn your idea into a successful business. It's a way to gather information about potential customers and businesses already operating in your area. Use that information to find a competitive advantage for your business. Number 3. Write your business plan. Your business plan is the foundation of your business. It's a roadmap for how to structure, run, and grow your new business. You'll use it to convince people that working with you or investing in your company is a smart choice. Number 4. Fund your business. Your business plan will help you figure out how much money you'll need to start your business. If you don't have that amount on hand, you'll need to either raise or borrow the capital. Fortunately, there are more ways than ever to find the capital you need. Number 5. Pick your business location. Your business location is one of the most important decisions you'll make. Whether you're setting up a brick-and-mortar business or launching an online store, the choices you make could affect your taxes, legal requirements, and revenue. Number 6. Choose a business structure. The legal structure you choose for your business will impact your business registration requirements, how much you pay in taxes, and your personal liability. Number 7. Choose your business name. It's not easy to pick the perfect name. You'll want one that reflects your brand and captures your spirit. You'll also want to make sure your business name isn't already being used by someone else. Number 8. Register your business. Once you've picked the perfect business name, it's time to make it legal and protect your brand. If you're doing business under a name different than your own, you'll need to register with the government of India and maybe trademark your brand or business name. Number 9. Goods and service tax. You'll use your goods and service tax (GST) for important steps to start and grow your business, like opening a bank account and paying taxes. It's like a social security number for your business. Number 10. Apply for licenses and permits. Keep your business running smoothly by staying legally compliant. The licenses and permits you need for your business will vary by industry, state, location, and other factors. Number 11. Open a business bank account. A small business checking account can help you handle legal, tax, and day-to-day issues. The good news is it's easy to set one up if you have the right registrations and paperwork ready. Hope you will learn some basic information about how to start your own business. If you have any doubt and clarification, comment below. If you like our video, like it, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel for regular business tips and tricks. Thank you. We will meet in another video.